Hey lovelies, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Fifi777 and today's video is very exciting. The kind people at the Be Kind shop sent me some jewelry to review. So let's get right into it. Here is the packaging that the jewelry came in. Okay, I'm going to show you the first item. And I have a beehive ring. And it's in gold. And it's really cute. Let me try it on. There it is. Very pretty. And it came in this little sunshine box. And it says especially for you. Isn't that cute with this little sunshine? What is this, a sunflower? Okay, the next item I have is a sterling silver bracelet. Also with the sunflower, sterling silver. Let me try that on for you. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Yes. Okay, and the last box has, this is the box again. The last box has, oh, I got the wrong box. Okay, a beautiful necklace, y'all. Look at this. Focus. Isn't it gorgeous? It's sterling silver. It's a heart with the sunflower in the middle. Now, it came also with an envelope and it has their mission statement. So let me read that to you. It's a thank you card. And it says, "We would like to reach out and thank you for your order from Be Kind Shop. A portion of your purchase was contributed towards saving the bees and helping them develop colonies safely. We hope that our products will not only put a smile on your face, but remind you about the good cause you are now part of. Welcome to the family." And then also in the envelope, there are some stickers. This one is a honeycomb, the little bees on it. This one says, "You are my sunshine." And the last one is my favorite. It says, "Don't be sad, Jesus loves you." I'm definitely going to put this on something. Yes. Okay, lovelies, if you're interested in Be Kind Shop, I suggest you check them out. And I'm going to have a coupon code for you in the description. And it is Fifi, all caps, for a 20% off. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.